Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video we are going to check the multiple internship opportunity provided by the one of the multinational organization that is a Google. And friend, there are multiple different internship opportunities are available and anyone can apply for these internships. And we are going to check the all the details, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the roles and responsibility, and how you need to apply for these different internships. So let's start the video. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Google Career, and you can see here multiple internship opportunities are listed. So you can see here the first internship is the software application development. Then you can see data analytics apprenticeship. Then digital business marketing internship and project management internship. So we are going to check this some of the internships to check the roles and responsibilities and how you need to apply. And friend, these internship opportunities are available for the multiple location. You can see here Bengaluru, you can see then Gurgaon in Haryana. So these are the job locations. So let's check the some of the internships. So we are going to check the data analytics. So let's check it first. So friend, you can see here the selected applicants will be matched to a team and will need to relocate. You can see teams in Hyderabad, Gurugram, Mumbai or Bengaluru. And relocation assistance is provided for those who move 100 km to their matched office location, means it is more than 100 km. So you can see here the whole process will spread across 18 to 20 weeks, and you can see the minimum qualification requirement, that is a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. Less than 1 year of experience is required. So if you are having more than 1 year of experience, then you will not eligible for this internship. And you have some experience with the Google Workspace like Gmail, Chrome, Google Document, Google Sheets or similar applications. And you have the ability to communicate in English fluently and to understand and execute instructions and learn via training, documentation and presentations. And some skills required like you should know the SQL programming, you should have the knowledge of data analysis or interest, and you have ability to navigate tasks, suitable solutions, and you can work independently and excellent problem solving. So these are the requirement. And friend, you can see here this Google Data Analytics Apprenticeship is a learning and development program for 24 months. And apprentices are expected to join in person at their assigned office and participate full time, that is a 40 hours weekly throughout the program. So, and you can see here you will spend 20% of your time studying in a tailored training program and the rest of the time on project with assigned Google team. So you will get the theoretical as well as the practical experience also here. And also you can see some responsibilities are they have given, like you should assess the data accurately and identify anomalies. You will solve the real life problems while developing and learning from the working leaders. And you will gain an understanding of the data life cycle and how this translates to different businesses. So these are the requirements given. I will provide the link in the video description box so that you can check it and read it carefully before applying. And you can also select the which internship is interest to your skills. So let's check the next internship, that is a project management. And so friend, before going to check this internship, if you are not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free courses, jobs and internship notifications and technology related videos. So please subscribe our channel Info Roshan. It will motivate us to create a more and more content for you. So you can see the project management internship and qualification. You can see as I have discussed earlier, that is a bachelor's degree and you have less than 1 year of experience, and you should know the Google Workspace, as these are the internship provided by the Google. So you should know Google Workspace. And you can see the qualification like if you have experience working in any industry like in event, media, customer service, hospitality, tourism, accounting, and you can see ability to work with ambiguous tasks. And you can work separately, means you can have the talent to work independently, then you are the excellent problem solving. And the problem solving skill is very important for the project management role. So you can see the responsibilities are given, like you have to develop a general project management skills across a variety of disciplines, and you will learn a wide range of tools and techniques, include how to distill data for actionable takeaways, and learn how to coordinate internal resources for executions, documentation, and develop a teamwork and communication skills, develop an understanding project scope. It should be time, frames, financial outcomes. So friend, please look the description which I have given in the video description box so that you can read the qualifications, roles and responsibilities carefully. So friend, for applying, on the top you can see apply icon is given on every internships. So you have to simply click on that, and once you click, then this type of page will appear. So you can see the application is divided into 5 simple steps. And you can see here, so first you have to create a profile by providing your some details like legal name, your phone number, your updated resume, and some of the questions you can see. And then you have to provide some your career profile, role information, voluntary, and at the end you have to review before submitting the final button. So if you review and all the things are correct, then you can apply. And friend, if you have any query regarding this internship, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe in for roshan. Thank you.